Hello there. I'm a new ranter. My name is Azure. I like Forsaken object shows, psychological horror, games, and other things. I'm also a Fictionkin and a Therian. My main kin types are Azure, Elliot, One, Pencil, and Zooble. Doubles can interact with caution. My friend is who inspired me to start ranting. I'm a minor, so Plels, keep that in mind. I want to become a taxidermist and a botanist when I grow up. I'm Mexican, and that's all for my intro, I think. See you in the next video. My Flowers 3.